Well, we've just arrived in Montréjeau for the next campsite, and we're just going to stock up with some provisions at the good old Lidl's. We've got the mountains behind me. That's the Pyrenees. They're very misty at the moment, but hopefully get some photographs of them later on. Let's go and get some food. Just found some nice prawns. They'll go on the old barbie later on. Happy days.
Turn right onto Nukes.
Oh, hang on a minute, got to do it right here. Haha! Nearly missed the old sign. Camping Midi-Pyrénées. Pyrenees. Beautiful. Lovely
In
views of the
300
mountains
meters,
over here.
turn right to stay on Chemin de Nubert.
This is the entrance. You just need to pull over and check in. Alright, let's go to the reception. The reception just up here. Nice, isn't it? Nice and tidy. Oh, look at that swimming pool. Crikey. That's overlooking. They've got an infinity pool. We've got an infinity pool here overlooking the Pyrenees. Bloody hell. That is beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. Isn't it? Hey, look at that. There's nobody in it. Oh, that is lovely. Well, we're just going to have a walk around, have a look around, see which. There's quite a few on here already. I think it's water on the site as well. So, anywhere you like. Another chasson just here. Well, this is our pitch. We found a lovely little pitch overlooking the mountains. Right, got a grey waste here, and just down there. And if you want some take on some water, we've got this little machine here. Pays your money on that one though. Well, we're having a nice bit of steak today. Courgettes, onions, caramelised onions, and sweet corn. So I'm just sweating off some courgettes. Okay. Right, now a short clip of just the garlic. Right, this is how we level the cooker on both ends. Another one under there somewhere. That's how we do the leveling. Make your own, adjust your own. Okay, these are fantastic, these camping gas cookers, because this can has lasted probably 4 or 5 days, maybe nearly the week. So, and this little cooker down here is perfect for sort of getting things up to a temperature very quickly. Well, I've got the sweet corn all bubbling away to soften that down a bit. I've got the caramelised onions, they're all beautiful, with a bit of balsamic in it and a bit of garlic, so they're great. I've also got a courgette, which has got a bit of garlic in it as well, so loads of garlic. Right, what I'm going to do now is put the sweet corn on. I'll just shove it on there like that. Shove these on. Turn it up, crank that up to full height. Lovely. Right, there's my steaks. There's my steaks going on. These have all had garlic all over them, marinating with garlic. So they're now going to go on. Three or 4 minutes aside, they're not going to take very long. Happy days. Right, I've got my Heston Bumethyl apron on, and I've got my Keith Lloyd obligatory glass of wine. What could go wrong? Cheers. Lovely. It's a finished item. See how it goes.
Madame's just about to...
Hi guys, thanks for watching my videos. There's lots more to come. We've had a lovely stop at this campsite, Midi-Pyrénées, Montréjeau, which is near enough in sort of like the middle of the Pyrenees on the French side. We're now going to be travelling east following the Pyrenees along down to the Mediterranean, where we're going to stop a night or a couple, and then over into Spain. So look out for more videos. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's all free, costs you nothing. See you soon.